I poured condensed milk on the banana and I was surprised with the result. Incredible recipe. For this recipe, we are going to grease a mold with plenty of butter. I remove a little of the excess and now you're going to choose your best bananas. Here I will use 7 bananas, but you can use more if you want. And guys, while I peel and cut the bananas in half, tell me which city or state you're watching this video. After cutting the bananas in half, let's put it this way in the form. And now comes a box of condensed milk on top of the banana. Guys, do the best, sprinkle the condensed milk everywhere. Put cinnamon. Cinnamon is optional. I know there are people who don't like it, but it makes a total difference in this dessert. And let's take it to the oven. I put some more condensed milk which is left. Take it to the preheat oven 180 degrees to 30 to 35 minutes or until you see that it's already very golden. While it's in the oven, let's put a box of milk cream with a tablespoon of sugar. Just beat everything with a whisk. And if you have a mixer, you can beat it with the mixer too. Guys, this dessert is very good. I was shocked when I made it. It is super approved. And there are a few ingredients. A very cool and interesting tip which makes total difference is that the banana, it has to be very ripe. Our bananas have already come out of the oven and I couldn't tell that the condensed milk made them more tender. It's already at a perfect point. And now it's just a matter of putting this cream with just really on top and take it into the fridge for 2 hours or in the freezing for 30 minutes and finish with more cinnamon because I love cinnamon. Guys, this dessert was really good. This is the result. I hope you like it. It's a super balanced dessert. It is not too sweet. It's super creamy, guys. It's really good. Do it in your home and I'm sure you and your whole family will love this recipe. Important tips: the banana has to be very ripe and you can let it bounce the point inside the oven because otherwise your banana will dry and it will be hard like a rock. Soon as it turns brown, there is the condensed milk. It's already great. Remove it because it won't dry your banana and it's gonna be terrible. And this was today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave my note here from 0 to 10 because your opinion is very important to me. A kiss, see you on the next video and bye bye.